Hello everyone, Namaste. This is me Indira Shettikar, teacher from HUB Global Academy. This video is on behalf of my school HUB Global Academy to all those Ganesha lovers, Ganesha's devotees. Very soon we'll see Ganesha in our homes amongst us. Don't you think if we make Ganesha's idol with our own hands, it would be more better? Adding more love and affection along with the other ingredients. And the most important one is it will help us go eco-friendly, which we all are striving for. Okay, now I shall show you the ingredients what I have used. I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour. This is turmeric, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of kumkum. This is water. And this is oil. Okay, let's mix up. I shall add this is turmeric here, and this is the kumkum. We first mix it up properly, and then slowly, little by little, you go on adding water. You have to knead the dough just like you knead the dough for puri. It has to be tight. Shouldn't be too hard, neither too soft, because if you make it too hard, then it will develop cracks. I've finished making the dough. You can see it's become, when you press it like this, can make out. And we'll keep it just for 5 minutes aside. I've made here 5 equal portions. I'm going to make my Ganesha on this. First I'll make the base and put it over here. Here I've taken, we make it into flat, becomes our base. And now the second ball I've taken, this will be placed here like this. You can just pierce it like this toothpick, so that it remains stiff there. The third ball, we are going to make this into cylinder. 4 you are going to make. First we can take, this is for the leg. You can just give a pinch like this way. It can join like this, and this leg will come here. For the hands, from here we can put it over here like this way, and this is the left hand, this will be the right hand for giving blessings. First we'll make a ball like this way. This is the face, and we make it into oval, a little bit of oval shape. And this what we have kept for the ears. You just roll it up and make it flat. Both this sides you put the ears this way, and give a pinch from back. Here also this side, and turn it up, and here you can give a pinch like this way, and we put it here. Just push it in properly. These are the ears done. Now the fifth ball we take a portion of it. From this we'll make the trunk. Let this trunk come from here, from the top, and then it has to merge along with the face. And then you can give a turn like this. Either you want to put it on the left side or right hand side. Now we'll make the crown. Just make a ball like this and make it flat and keep it up here. Make another one smaller than the previous one and keep it here like this. A small ball you can make. Just put the toothpick so it remains stiff. For the eyes, I've got here the clove, and I'll just pierce in this way. This is the tusk. So the tusk is small. Right side it is little longer. So Ganesha is ready. I'll turn and show you. We give a support. We'll give a small modak in his hand, so that he is a little more happy. Just make the markings so that it looks like the toes. So Ganesha is ready now. for the puja and to bless us. Now our eco-friendly Ganesha is ready. Now we have to invoke the presence and then take the blessings. When you immerse also, there won't be any problem. You can immerse it at home, or even if you immerse it outside, it won't harm the marine life. Thank you.